Hi everyone! Welcome to channel YouTube. Today's video guys, magluluto tayo ng maruya. Saging na maruya guys. So na may flour. At hindi ko nalagyan ng itlog guys. So ito na guys. Lalagyan natin ng oil guys. Lalagyan ko ng oil. Yan guys, ito yung ano ko guys, at ilalagay natin yung banana dito guys. So, yan guys, maruya. Gagawa tayo ng maruya na saging. Dito natin siya ilalagay guys. So, tingnan natin guys kung mag-work to guys. So, ngayon guys, hindi pa po siya mainit guys. So, maliit ang saging nila dito guys. So, ang saging nila dito maliliit. So, ayan. Nasira yung isa. So, for merienda for today is maruya saging. Maruya saging. So, ayan. At lalagyan pa natin ng isa. Para initin natin ng gusto guys. Para ano siya guys. So, ito na siya guys. Ayan po. So, thank you for watching guys. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel YouTube. Yun ako nag-upload. Minsan lang ako nag-upload guys. So, and then, happy 4th of July guys. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel YouTube. Merienda po tayo guys. So, sarap kasi maulan ngayon guys. So, alright guys. Thank you and God bless everyone.